we have to do the exercise 5b today. No, we have done with exercise 5b because I gave you the homework of exercise 5b, question number 1, 2, 3, and you shared it with me. Can you show it to the screen?
Okay, the exercise 5b, right?
Yes, 5b. Yes, all the question, and we checked all of them, and all of them are correct. Very good, very good. Now today you have to start on the empty space. We have to do the question number 4. Add the following. So here don't get confused if the numbers are 3, 4, 5 or more than 5. You simply have to add all of them. I will do the first question. Okay. So the question number exercise 5b. Question number?
Question number 4.
Question number 4. Okay. What is the question?
3a is 344.
343. 343. First one is 343.
And then comma 356.
356.
And minus 343.
343. Simply you have to add all of them. Simply how we can solve this? You have to write like this solution.
But then it's plus and then
Yes, very good. 343 plus 356, and here is also plus, but here I have to put the bracket. Why I have to put the bracket here? Because there is a minus. There is a minus with 343. That's why I have to put the bracket.
Okay.
So simply you just have to remove the bracket first.
Okay.
Plus
43
356 minus 343, and simply
plus minus equals minus.
yes. So according to the odd mass rule, I have to solve the which operation here first?
The bracket.
I have solved that after the bracket.
Addition.
Now you have to add these two numbers. When you get the answer, you have to subtract the answer with minus 343. Can you give me the answer?
Okay, I'm checking. 343. 343 plus 356
Yes.
is 996.
699. Yeah, 699.
Yep, 699.
And now you have to do the subtraction between them by just looking 93 minus
6.
yes
4 minus 9 is 5 and 3 minus 6 is 3.
356. So is it easy or difficult?
It was really
Very easy. So same thing goes for the B. Minus 2726 plus 789 plus 726 and then plus minus 236. You have to solve the first plus questions. When you got the answer, you have to do the subtraction. Okay? And same thing goes for the C. Same thing goes for the D. And the E might look different. E might look different. You have to do the B, C and D for your homework. I will help you in E part. Okay?
Okay.
Have you done with this? Can I move to the next part?
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh, okay. Almost done?
What do you mean? Like I'm writing?
Okay, you are writing?
No, I'm not writing, ma'am. I said I'm done.
Okay, done. Now, how the 3 questions are for your homework practice, and I have to do the E part. Okay, let me help to write the E part. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I said okay.
Okay. Help me to write the numbers. Our question E part.
Question E part.
Tell me. You don't have you opened your textbook?
Yeah, 704
704
plus
bracket minus 4
and then I close the bracket
yes
plus
plus
bracket minus 10
bracket minus 10, close the bracket,
and then plus 10
plus 10 plus
bracket minus 100.
and
Close the bracket.
just this.
Yeah.
Now I have to solve the first which thing?
The bracket.
Brackets, all the brackets. 704 plus minus 4 plus minus 10 plus 10 plus minus 100. Now I have to solve the first.
It's plus 2 minus equals minus.
Yes. Now I have to solve the first.
Yeah.
Plus and then minus, na?
Yeah. Plus equals plus.
Now here is, look here, it is a minus 10, it is a plus 10. They are same numbers but they have the opposite sign. When we have the same number, when we have the opposite sign, what we do?
It's plus, right?
Where?
Plus bracket minus 10. So yes, minus plus
Yes.
minus.
Tell me what we do in this situation. When we have two same number with their opposite sign, it shows that we can cancel out them. We can cancel.
Cancel out them.
Yes. Now the remaining numbers are 7, 4, minus 4 and minus 100. Now 4 is minus with 100. 704 minus 4. It become 700. 700 minus 100. That is 600.
600. Okay.
Yes. The exercise 5C, I will do the one part of each question, the remaining will be for your homework. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pick the question for me?
The question for you.
Yes, I have to do the one question from each part. So you can pick any question for me that you might face difficulty when you do the homework. So you can give that part to me. I will explain it to you. Okay. So choose the from first question which part I have to do. It seems all easy.
Yeah, ma'am. It is really easy.
Okay. Even if we didn't solve them, you can just give direct answers to me. What is for minus into minus 10?
What is minus into
Minus 10. Simplify A part. Answer will?
That is 5C. Minus into minus 10. It says. Not really sure, but I think minus equals plus 10. Right?
Yes, exactly. You got the correct answer, plus 10. Even you can write the answer on your book. You have to put like is equal plus 10 right in front of this question. Okay.
Okay.
Even you can solve all the questions B, C and D.
I can. Okay.
Yes.
Try. Minus equals plus 20.
Correct.
Minus is plus 4. Plus 70.
Correct.
That was easy.
Yes, that was bit easy. So, question number 2. Subtract the following. Remember that if there is a question in which they ask add the following, that doesn't mean then you must have to add them. There may be a different, because we are adding the integers, and integer contains their own sign as well. Okay, there is a little tip. If they're telling us to add the integer, for example, this is I have plus 4 and here I have minus plus into minus 7. It means that I have to follow the integer rule, and I'm also adding these numbers, because 4 plus minus 7. That doesn't mean I am doing this question wrong. I am doing this question correctly because I am adding them by solving this operation. And these integers are these own numbers. These number owns their own integers. Okay. So same thing goes for the subtraction. If by solving the integers, if two numbers are subtracted or added, that doesn't mean we are doing anything wrong. We are just following the steps. Okay?
Okay.
So pick the question from question number 2, which I have to do, and remaining will be your homework.
Okay.
Which part I have to do?
Probably the C.
From question number 2, part
Only the
C, only the C part. C part says 8 minus into minus 10. Is it?
Yes.
8 minus. You shared the homework with me. That is a good thing. You attempt all the question correctly, but I need a step-by-step calculation, okay? You don't have to attempt the short steps.
Okay.
If you do this continuously, you didn't get enough marks, because maths marks carry by solving the each question step by step. So
Okay.
here you have to solve the first. You have to write the question, then put the heading of solution. You have to start from this. You have to repeat the question one more time after writing the solution. You have to put equal sign here. Now we have to solve this bracket first. Minus will be multiplied with this minus, then minus minus.
Okay. Minus, right?
Yes, minus minus is equal to,
Plus.
very good, plus. Then 8 plus 10 will become 10 plus 8.
Plus
10 plus 8.
10 plus 8 is 18.
18. So I just have to put the plus sign here. I got the correct answer. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I have to hope you understood. Any question?
No, ma'am.
Will you do all the other parts as well?
Yeah, I'll try.
Do I have to do the E or F part? It seems difficult or easy to you?
Seems really easy.
Really easy. So pick the question from third part.
I can do 1, 2, and 3, but not 4 and 6.
I will help you. I will help you in that. So now you have to pick the one part from question number 3.
0 minus 13. It's plus 13, right?
Yes, plus 30. So 0 plus 13, answer will be 13.
Yeah, everything's really easy.
D part, E part, F part. Look at again.
Okay, I want the help in.
You don't need any help in question number 3.
Maybe I do.
Oh, okay. So now we have to move the question number 4.
Okay, yeah.
No, same thing that is happened in the question number 4 of exercise 5b. Okay. So the question number 4, they are asking about to subtract. Okay.
Okay.
So the pick one question for me to do from the question number 4. Pick any part.
315 and 360.
Okay. There is a one point. Remember that if you have to add any number, if you have to add or if you
Any
have to
number.
subtract, okay, they are always put and between two numbers to shows that you have to do the addition. If you have to do the subtraction, they always write from. Subtract this number from this number. Add
Yeah.
these two. Okay, I hope now you understood. You have to draw this table on your notebook at the side corner. That will help you to remember. Done?
Almost, yeah.
Can I move to the previous page?
Checking. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the previous page. Now I have to do the which part? I have to do the C part. Help me to write the question. Minus 315 from
Minus 15 from
360.
Yeah, the fourth one.
So
C.
yes, so simply I have to put the here solution. I will write 315 and I have to do the subtract. From is for, from shows the which sign? From shows the negative sign here, just like this. So minus minus,
Minus minus is plus.
so I have to do the addition or subtraction between 315 or 360.
Addition.
Addition. So 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 3, 6. 675. So I have to put the sign here, plus or minus.
Plus.
Why plus?
This is greater.
Which one is a greater number here?
Plus 360.
Is it a plus 360 or is it a minus 360?
It's plus 360.
Why? This is a minus, Aryan, here. This is a minus.
315 minus.
No. 300 minus 315 minus 360 na. Minus 360. What I told you in this, from means minus.
Okay.
So there is a
From
minus
minus.
between 360. So I have to put negative sign. 360 is a bigger number. It carries a minus sign. So we have to put minus sign with the answer if the bigger number have the minus sign.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Or do I have to do one more question for your practice?
No, ma'am, I can do it.
You can do that.
Yes, ma'am.
So the other parts will be your homework. You can write this down and choose the question from the fifth part. Simplify each of the following statements.
Simplify each of the following statements.
I hope that is also easy. It shows everything. First you have to solve the bracket, then you have to do the addition or subtraction.
Minus equals plus, so
Yes.
8 plus 3.
Minus 8 minus 3. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer will be minus 11.
Yep.
Yep.
Minus 11.
So I have to do the question number 6. Subtract the sum of 28 and minus 12 from 50.
No, this is the one I didn't understand.
You didn't understand this question?
Yeah.
First we have to subtract the sum of 28 and minus 12 from 50. First you have to do the addition of 28 and 12, then answer will be subtracted with the 50. Look at the statement. Don't think that they will give you a question like from exercise 5C 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. They might give you a question like this sixth part. Remember that. First they have remember that if they put sum, you have to do the addition. If they put subtract, you have to do the minus. If they put and, you have to do the addition. If they put from, you have to do the subtraction. Sixth part is a very
subtraction.
yes.
And this subtraction.
Yes, there is a two thing. In this question, we have to solve the two question. First, they say that subtract the sum of 28 and minus 12. It means that we have to add the 28 and minus 12. The answer we got will be subtracted from 50. Look at here. I am going to write the question number 6. The question is about subtract the sum of. Subtract
Subtract the sum of.
Yes, subtract the
Sum of.
sum of 28 and minus 1. Look at here. You remember the odd mass rule? Odd mass state we have to solve the addition first. So they also ask us that you have to solve the sum of these two numbers first. Then you have to do the subtraction. Then I will add these two numbers. Because there is an and between these two. You can look this and between 28 and minus 12.
Yep.
You have to, and then here they write from
From.
50 na.
Yep.
So this will help you to write these numbers, write this spelling, write this statement in the expression like this. I'm going to write. You don't have to write Aryan with me. You just have to listen and understand. Okay.
No, I'm just listening.
Okay. So they told us sum of 28 with minus 12, then subtracted from. This is the statement. This is how the expression looks like. Okay.
Okay.
I have to solve the bracket first. 28 plus minus 12 minus 50. So I have to do the subtraction here. First I will solve this. 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12. Answer. Tell me the answer, Aryan. 8 minus 2.
8 minus 2 is probably 7, right?
6.
Oh, never mind. 6.
2 minus 1. 1. 16.
1.
I have to use which sign here? Plus or negative?
Plus.
Yes, very good. And then minus 50. Now I have to subtract 16 with minus 50. Then I will move to the next page. 16 minus 50. Now tell me the answer, Aryan.
Okay. 16 minus 50 is 0 minus 6 is 6. Wait, never mind. 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, and then I take the 5, 4, 3, 36.
34. And the answer will contains which sign? Negative or positive?
The negative.
Very good. Understood the question number 6? First we have to sum these two numbers. Answer will be subtracted from 50. I hope you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question regarding